Guilty of arson, Tanya Bundick took the stand in her own defense, but in the end, it wasn't enough. Prosecutors grilled her about her relationship with former fiancé Charles Smith III, also a convicted arsonist. They questioned her about her love, her dedication, and their alleged crimes of passion. 10 on your side's Erin Kelly was there when the verdict came down. She's live outside the Virginia Beach courthouse now. Erin?
Recommended a sentence of 3.5 years plus a $10,000 fine. That won't be finalized until September 4th. It took them 2 hours and 6 minutes to reach a guilty verdict for Tanya Bundick. And in 2 days, we heard from 9 witnesses. Today, Tanya Bundick, for the first time, took the stand in her own defense. She showed no emotion as she heard the verdict and while she was on the stand. She said she doesn't remember what happened on March 3rd, 2013. That's the day the prosecutors say she helped with this arson. But according to the prosecutors, when they had Charles Smith on the stand yesterday, he testified that she was there to drop him off and pick him up after he set fire to an empty building. That was what he testified yesterday. Prosecutors also pointed out that according to cell phone records, there were pings from Bundick's cell phone and Charles Smith's cell phone near that fire on the night of the arson. And Only 10 on your side talked to defense attorneys as they were leaving the courtroom today. Take a listen.
Depending on what Judge Tyler does at the sentencing may affect whether how we proceed on future trials. But right now we do anticipate having the additional trials, but they're not set yet.
And he went on to say that they were disappointed in the outcome of this case. Now, Charles Smith, her co-defendant, her former fiance, has already pleaded guilty to more than 60 arsons. Tanya Bundick was convicted in January of 1 count of arson and 1 count of conspiracy. She has 61 more trials, and according to the defense attorneys, they average about 4 trials a year, so it could take 16 years to get through all of these trials. And again, no word yet on when the next trial will be, but again, sentencing for this case and for the one in January is set for September 4th. Live in Virginia Beach, Erin Kelly, 10 on your side.